Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. These are the 3 designs we're going to work on today, and I think my favorite border design is the 3rd one. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. So I've been really enjoying making these. I can listen to YouTube or whatever as I draw, so it's been fun. I've been listening to a really good Christian YouTube channel. His name is Trey Smith. I'll link it in the description box below if you want to check him out. He's amazing, like really breaks down the Bible, and really it's his videos are very long. They're like 3 hours, some of them are shorter, but you know, you got to do all that to really dig in deeper to learn the Bible and stuff. So it's been good. It's very interesting. I really recommend that channel. So we let's see here, we're still on the first one, and I used Bic markers today, and so let me think, what else do I need to tell you guys? I think that's about it. So I will let the music play for the rest of the video, and I appreciate you guys stopping by, and hit that like button if you like this video. It helps support my channel. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.